Hello guys, and welcome to an episode that I would like to call a new game that's going to be on my channel. Now, some of you never heard of this game before, or some of you have, I don't know what I'm saying right now, but welcome to this game. It's amazing. It'll say PS2. Then there's a little game disc in the bottom left. Then it'll say this. And it'll say 2006 THQ 2006. Nick Games, I believe it's called, for some odd reason. Blue Tongue. Blue Tongue creates every game, I must say. F-Mod. Well guys, welcome to Nicktoons Battle for Volcano Island. We're going to be starting a new game. This used to be my favorite childhood game, I must say that. And we're going to Summoner's Rock. Listen to the wise old crab. Reach the end of the sandbar. And guys, I'm going to change some settings right off the bat.
We can wait no longer. It is time. Only the 9 can save us from the evils of the Magu.
Fools! You cannot stop me! This world is mine!
Not yet! It isn't!
He has broken the circle. The heroes will be lost.
Not lost, just scattered. And not all of them. Look!
Hey, this doesn't look like Bikini Bottom.
SpongeBob, where are we? Far from home.
Oh, would you look at
boy. I have summoned you here for a purpose. Ooh. Our ancient enemy, the Magu, has escaped from his prison and seeks vengeance. He has created a terrible ooze that corrupts everything it touches. But the legends of our people say that you, the chosen ones, can save us.
How do we save you?
You will know, Absorbent Yellow One. You will know. But first, you must find all of your friends. United, you will triumph. Hoo-ha! Please stop that. Now, follow me, and I will take you to a safe place where you can camp.
Ooh, to a safe place where we can camp.
There are many dangers on our island. You must defend yourself.
Hold on, guys. Wrong one. Let me see if there's subtitles. Yep. There you guys go. Ah, come on, give me some of that.
Punch the targets.
Punch the targets? Alright.
Oh!
Oh, it's a crab thing. When you find yellow, pick it up. It will energize you.
Ooh, I'm up there. Alright, guys, I think I messed something up here. Alright, there we go. More like that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Shoo those birds away.
Shoo those birds away. Alright, you got it, mysterious one. What? I don't know. Hey, come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Oh yeah, look at that stylish gameplay.
When you find blue energy, pick it up. It will heal you.
Thank you for that stuff.
If one of you can't do it, another hero can.
What do you mean?
Some items could be useful when building your camp. Be sure to collect them all.
Okay, I'm not going to be collecting items because
Hey, look at all this stuff. How did they go running, Daddy?
because I feel that I don't need to. I just collect the stuff that is visible. Ow! Why is everything so freaking skinny on this game? What? That made no sense. Look at the big giant sharks.
Look out! One of those darn birds.
Get out of here. Ow! He bit me. Why are they only dropping?
You'll have to jump to get across here.
Why are
You
they
can jump higher by
only...
jumping again when you're in the air.
Why are they only dropping frickin' those yellow things? It's not like, oh, there's one.
Open that case. There might be something inside.
Fine. There.
Shake the trees, break the shells. Go figure.
Go figure. Go figure. Alright, I don't know about the shells, but...
The path is blocked. Pick up that nut that fell out of the tree. Now throw it against that wall. Watch out for the boom.
Watch out for the boom. I'm perfectly capable. Wise old crab. I believe you owe me an apology. I believe you do, wise old crab. I believe you do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at my special boom. Ooh, look at these darn birds. They're messing up our party, man. Why am I... Oh, and these, they give you health. The color they are, they give you that sort of item. Like if one of those were yellow, they would give you missiles. If it's blue, it gives you health, basically. So, yeah, very helpful, those things. Just double jump my way to victory. Double jump.
What was that? It came out of that storm above the volcano.
So very interesting, SpongeBob. I mean, Danny. I mean, person. I believe there's a sign back here or a rocket. Yep, a rocket. Get out of here. What storm above the volcano, Nanny? Well, I get lots of cool stuff. Yeah, look at those missiles. They think they're everywhere.
Whoa! Hey, it's the Bitten Ghost Assault Vehicle. Darn, it's locked. Sometimes you have a choice of that.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
Did you
Let's
see all
grab
that
this
stuff in the big
sign.
storm? Do you think the nice old crab will want us to take it back?
Where is Mr. Something you might
Stay out
Crap.
of the deep water. It is dangerous to off-worlders.
It is dangerous to walk worlders? Is that what you just said? Alright, let me get this sign. Ow! Oh, mother. Squidward's quiet sign. That fell. Let me just jump across here. Alright guys, that's it for part 1. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next episode. See ya!